Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Hinderer XM-18 here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool variant of this pretty popular knife because this is the Harpoon Spanto version G10 dual color scale and battle bronze anodized. Really cool piece, guys. Overall length of this guy is going to be around 8.2 inches with a 4.6 inch long handle and 3.5 inch long blade. Very cool knife, G10 scales, titanium frame lock, really cool CPM 20 CV steel Harpoon Spanto style blade. Really one of my favorite designs and style for the blade. Nice tanto, spear point, harpoon, stone wash, finger choil, belly flat. Really awesome sound. There's a little bit of hot spots for the flipper tab. I mean, it's not like ideal for me, but overall great grip, great sound, pretty awesome look. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.